Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through a quick step on how to invite somebody to Midjourney. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To invite somebody on Midjourney, go ahead and open up your Discord application and make sure that you are connected to Midjourney server. Once you are connected, tap on the Midjourney server option from the left inside menu and now tap the three dots right next to your Midjourney server. Now tap the invite button at the bottom and you'll be able to see your server link displayed on the screen. Tap on share link and select one of the contacts you'd like to invite, and after you are done selecting the contact, you'll be able to see an automated text appearing on the display. Tap send at the top right and send the invitation to one of your friends or family or anyone that you'd like to invite to Midjourney. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.